What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the very special and highly anticipated Delta Connection Embraer 175 operated by Skywest. This has been a very highly sought after model, and GeminiJets, it was teased that they were going to release this sometime next year. Then they did the future release. They put it out as a future release sooner than we kind of thought. And then they finally dropped this model last month. I believe it was the, I want to say it was the October releases. I'm just about to verify that. I'm so excited. I honestly can't remember even when it came out, but it was recent enough that earlier than a lot of us expected, to say the least. The October releases. Very excited to have this. I do have two. I'm just gonna unbox and review one though. I picked up two of them. I wanted to get more, and I don't know if I'll be able to get more. I'm just trying to obviously save up and focus on other models as well. But two is sufficient for now, I feel like. So yeah, anyways, very excited to have this. This is one that I know just about everybody in the community has been waiting for. So yeah, anyways, here we have it, the box. And yep, the usual GeminiJet stuff. The underneath. This is November 274 Sierra Yankee, Skywest bird. Very, very excited to have this in the collection finally, because I never had a 170, and then now obviously Skywest has these 175s that are the prominent aircraft in terms of the 170s or 175 family. So yeah, here we have it, taking it out. Oh wow, alrighty, it looks pretty good. Yeah, all intact, everything looks good. Okay. Small little model. Alright, let me put that away. Alright, I really have to adjust the camera on this one. It's so tiny. Alrighty. Here we have the model. A very good looking little model. Just right off the bat, from what I can tell, it looks like they fixed... Oh wow, I'm actually impressed. They actually have an antenna at the bottom. I'm just kind of looking over it. It actually looks... It looks pretty damn good. They must have fixed this. They really must have fixed the mold. I'm way more impressed with this than some of the previous ones, i.e. the Alaska 175. What else did I have from them? I never did get the American 170, American Eagle 175, as that wasn't a Skywest one. I'm hoping they would have done a Skywest one, but and maybe they will in the future. But yeah, anyway, this actually looks really, really good. So let's take a look here. We'll zoom in, and great detail there in the cockpit and around the nose and everything. Operated by Skywest right there. You got the Delta Sky Team logo right there. L1 door. Delta connection titles. Very nice. The nose gear looks very, very nice. I do think that... actually, so the only complaint, funny enough, is it appears that they lowered the nose gear, actually. 175s, they should sit slightly nose higher. So it actually looks like they changed the nose gear and put like a 170 nose gear on it almost, as opposed to the 175, which I think is kind of interesting, because this sits a little lower now than it should, and I think some of the ones in the past, they sat more of that nose high, which is interesting. But overall, I mean, the gear looks pretty good. The engines look really good and everything. I think that pylon looks a little chunky, but not too bad overall. not too bad. The wings look really good, and the winglets actually look. Focus. The winglets actually look really good, so that's good. Moving along, you have some details on top there for like where the beacon would be. And then just moving along to the back, you have the registration 274 Sierra Yankee for Skywest, and the American flag, and then the L2 door right there. Got the tail and everything looking very nice. Fleet number there looks to be 224 on the top there. Very nice. And then we'll spin it around. Look at the back, the AP area, look, everything looking really good there. Good detail there. And then this side, you just have the baggage bin door right there and right there. A very nice model overall. As I said, I think that's the only small thing that I noticed is that it's slightly, it's not raised with a nose, but overall it actually looks pretty good. And as I say, there is actually, if it'll focus, the antenna right here. Gears all look good, and the underbelly has good detail. Yeah, really good detail there. So I'm actually pretty impressed with that. I didn't think they would actually put an antenna on this. Obviously, it doesn't have any on top, but that little one on the bottom is a nice addition to it. So yeah, very nice model. I do have another one. As I say, I'm not going to do both, just for time's sake and everything, and it's just repetition. But I will check that outside of or off camera to make sure that's all good too. But this one looks pretty good, and I'm very excited to have this into the collection. And obviously, a lot of collectors are very happy to have this one finally. So am I. I am hoping that we'll see a re-release of the American 175, but with Skywest Reg, because I believe they did. I want to say they did an Envoy one, November, but I want to see one with the Skywest Reg SY. As there's quite a lot of those flying now, and maybe even some a re-release of United. That would be nice in the future as well. But anyway, guys, for now that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you did enjoy, and if you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I will see you on the next one. Take care.